what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete or clear all of your call history on Snapchat. Search the Snapchat app, just click on your profile icon, then click on settings. Just scroll down and from here just click on clear conversation, then just click on X, then clear all of the conversation. And next, you can also clear cache. Just press on continue. And from there, you have now cleared or deleted all of your Snapchat call history. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily clear or delete Snapchat call history. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!